It has always been our deepest desire to search for and find what no one else has found before. There's an excitement to the journey we never dared to take until today, knowing that ultimately there will be some place greater than the ones we know. We take risks, we discover new paths, we stumble across detours and dead ends. But when we finally arrive, it's a feeling words fail to describe. Even though it might be completely different from what everyone else expected. ORDERFOX.com. Find your CNC supplier in the world's largest CNC database.